It's been a while since I started creating 3D product renders, and one thing that has helped me in almost every project is HDRIs. You won't believe how much faster they make your workflow. What used to take me nearly an hour to light now takes less than a minute. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. First, we'll download an HDRi and set it up. Then I'll share two super useful tricks that make your lighting look way more professional. So yeah, let's start by grabbing our HDRi. Okay, now, one of the best and completely free places to download HDRIs is Polyhaven. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you open the site, you'll see a huge library of HDRIs, studio, outdoor, sunset, interiors, pretty much everything. Just pick the one that fits your scene and click on it. Inside, you'll see these purple buttons where you can choose the resolution. Honestly, if you're using it only for lighting, 1K is totally enough. Smaller size equals faster scenes equals smoother workflow. Then just hit download and you're good to go. Now, let's actually add the HDRi to our scene. It's super simple. You probably already know this, but just in case, here's the quick way. Go to the World Properties tab. Click the little yellow dot next to color and choose Environment Texture. Then hit Open, select the HDRi you downloaded, and boom, instant lighting. If you don't see anything, just check the strength value. Sometimes it's set to 0. Set it to 1 or increase it to make the lighting stronger. And yeah, that's literally it. HDRi is applied. But before you start using HDRIs everywhere, there are two small tips or tricks that will help you a lot while using HDRIs. Sometimes when you use an HDRi, the lighting just doesn't feel right. The shadows fall in weird places, or your product looks flat from the front. Most people try to fix this by rotating the whole scene or moving the model around. And yeah, it kind of works, but it messes up your camera, animation, everything. There's a much easier way. Instead of rotating the scene, just rotate the HDRi itself. Go to the shader editor, switch from object to world. You'll see your HDRi connected to the background node. Select it, press Ctrl+T to add the mapping node automatically. Now, just rotate the Z value. Watch the shadows and highlights change in real time. Same HDRi, same scene, completely different mood. I do this in almost every render to quickly find the best lighting angle. Here's another common HDRi problem. Let me quickly switch the HDRi and show you. Now, sometimes you download an HDRi because it looks cool, maybe a sunset or warm studio light. But the moment you apply it, your whole scene looks weird. Everything turns yellow or blue or just too saturated. That's the HDRi's color affecting your scene. And honestly, fixing this is even easier than adding the HDRi. Go to the shader editor with the World tab selected. You'll see your HDRi texture connected to the background. Just drop a hue/saturation node between them. Now lower the saturation from 1 to 0. And boom, clean, neutral lighting. Same HDRi, but without the ugly color cast. I use this all the time for product renders.